Dear students, welcome for the further study. Today we will begin scene 2 of Act 1. You should know that this scene is the longest in the play. The scene is divided into 3 main parts. First, Prospero's tale to Miranda, that is, he is telling the story of their past. Second, the introduction of Ariel and Caliban. The third one is the initial meeting of Ferdinand and Miranda. The first two, these two provide a flashback to previous events by explaining how the play's current situation came to be, while the third provides the first contact between the young couple, that is Miranda and Ferdinand, that will form the play's romantic interest. Scene 2, the island before Prospero's cell. Enter Prospero and Miranda. You should recall, in the first scene, you read how a ship is tossed in a tempest. The people on board struggle and shout in terror. Miranda has witnessed it. She feels extremely sorry for them and comes running to her father and says, Miranda, if by your art, my dearest father, you have put the wild waters in this roar, allay them. The sky, it seems, would pour down stinking pitch, but that the sea mounting to the welkin's cheek dashes the fire out. Oh, I have suffered with those that I saw suffer, a brave vessel who had no doubt some noble creature in her, dashed all to pieces. Oh, the cry did knock against my heart. Poor souls, they perished. Had I been any god of power, I would have sunk the sea within the earth, or ere it should the good ship so have swallowed the frothing souls within her. Miranda comes running to her father after seeing the ship being dashed in the tempest and says, Papa or Daddy, if it is by your art, that is magical power, please let it subside or stop. The sky is so dark, it looks as if it is going to pour down bad smelling coal tar or the pitch which is used to make the road. She feels that the sky is pouring out that black thing. It is so dark. She further says, the water waves are rising so high that it touches the welkin's cheek, that is, the cheek of the sky. Welkins means skies. Dashes the fire out. The suffering and pain of the people in the ship made me experience the same. A brave vessel is the ship with some noble creatures in it. It has broken into pieces. The cry of the people has affected the tender heart of Miranda. She wishes that if she was a goddess, she would have hidden the sea under the earth before it swallowed the ship with people in it. Prospero says, be collect. No more amazement. Tell your piteous heart there is no harm done. So Prospero, when he sees how his dear daughter is moved with pity and terribly sad, he consoles her, saying, be calm, don't be very worried. Tell your tender heart that no one is harmed. That means all that she saw was an illusion. In reality, all are safe and sound. Thus saying, her father consoles. For today, this much is enough. We will read further in the next video. Bye. God bless you all.